Hi everyone, this is a smart lock. This smart lock can be opened by fingerprint, number lock, smart card, key and app. Now we add fingerprint in the smart lock. We want to give star hash. We want to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to press 1. Now we want to press 1. First time I give the fingerprint. Second time I give the fingerprint. Third time I give the fingerprint. Fourth time I give the fingerprint. It says successful. Now we give password. Now I type 1, 2, 3, 4 hash. You have to give another time also. It says successful. Now we add card. It says successful. We already set all things in the smart lock. Now I show how to open the smart lock with fingerprint. We will open this lock with the fingerprint. We will push down this handle and this latch will not go inside. We can't open the door. We give correct fingerprint and it say unlock. We push down means this latch will go inside. We can open the door. Now we give wrong fingerprint. It says failed and we push down the handle means this latch will not go inside. We can't open the door. Now we give password. We give wrong password means we give correct password means it says unlock and we push down means says unlock, then we push down means this latch will go inside. We can open the door easily. We push up means here 3 latch will come for security. Now we give the correct password. Says unlock, then we push down means this 4 latch will go inside. Now we can see how to open in card. We want to keep here card. It says unlock. We push the handle down means this latch will go inside. We can open the door easily. Then we push up means this 3 latch will come out. Now we give card. Says unlock. Then we push down this handle. This 4 latch will go inside. Suppose we are in the outside. Our relative came to our house. We want to open this lock means we want to ask them to give 9 hash. In this app the request will come. It comes. We want to give check. Click open remotely. We want to click here. Is this remote opening allowed? We want to give confirm. It says unlock. Then we push down means this latch will go inside. Now suppose the battery die. We want to open the door means we can open with the key. We not give key and we push down this handle means this 4 latch will not go inside. Now we give the key and we push down means this 4 latch will go inside. And one thing, the inside of the door has one scrolling. We scroll forward means here 1 latch will come out. We can put lock in inside of the door. We scroll back means it will go inside. I will finish this video. You want to fix this smart lock in your home door? Please contact us, Sunstar Electricals and Home Automation. Phone number 9786065417. Thank you. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you for everyone.